back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. This one doesn't require any experience whatsoever, and they even state in the job description they are willing to completely train the right candidate. It's complete data entry. We're going to get all into it. The links to all the pages I share, if you want to read reviews on the company or put that application in, are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just want to ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, give this video a thumbs up like button. That gives me that direct feedback. And if you know anybody who could benefit from these jobs, please share with them. Share with all your friends and family. Today's job lead is from the company Provest. Now, Provest has 98 reviews on Glassdoor. They do have a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. They're looking for a remote data entry clerk. Now, they are based out of Lombard, Illinois. This position or this job description does not state that they have any state restrictions. It doesn't state that they're only hiring within Illinois. This is a remote work from home position. Just know I don't have any additional information outside of what is posted. But they're paying $17 an hour for this data entry position, and it does say they're looking to train the right individual for this remote position. Provest is currently seeking somebody who is goal-oriented and reliable to join their teams. They are specifically looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And it says prior data entry experience is a plus, but not required. They are looking for somebody to enter a variety of data using Adobe, Excel, and any current technology. You'll create and maintain logs for tracking purposes for attorneys and courthouses. Of course, you're going to review and enter data updates in the system, reviewing for any discrepancies and errors in the data received. And of course, if you have any issues, you're going to advise your supervisor of those. The actual requirements of the job is a high school diploma or GED, great attention to detail, great organizational skills, and great communication skills, and you must be able to be a multitasker and have a positive attitude. Now, it does say if you have Adobe, that's like the PDF, or Excel experience, that's a plus, but it's also not required. Absolutely no experience is required for this position. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.